Hello guys, Nazar is here. Glad to see you on my channel. This is my first video ever. In this channel I will release videos in English, Polish and also in Ukrainian as my native language. I am a UX designer by profession and I like to always learn and develop myself in many areas. And as people say, you can only become a real expert if you can teach others with your knowledge. I have been longing to make tutorials and courses, but only now I'm up to it. By the way, I'm just learning English and Polish. Therefore, in the videos of these languages, I may sometimes speak with a little difficulty, but with each video, I will try to speak more clearly. By making videos in English and Polish, I'm more likely to learn how to communicate by them better. Making videos helps you to become less shy and allows you to improve your voice, charisma and other things. If you can do something, feel free to spread it to the world, and in that I wish you good luck. And if you don't know something, or you don't know what subjects you are interested in, or you want to be able to make money with the skills, then my channel is exactly what you need. I am going to talk about a lot of interesting things. In addition to learning specific topics, we will usually also be relaxing, playing games, enjoying music, reading different interesting things and more. You should definitely look around my channel. You will sure to enjoy something. Thank you for your attention. I suggest you start getting to know my channel with this content. Enjoy!